Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Portugal's immigration landscape in 2025 is undergoing significant transformations, influenced by both domestic policy reforms and broader European Union regulations. This essay provides a detailed overview of the latest developments, focusing on the step-by-step process for entering Portugal and the Schengen area. Portugal key immigration developments in Portugal. 1. Transition from SAFE to EMA. In October 2023, Portugal dissolved its Serviço de Estrangeiros e Fronteiras (SAFE) and established the Agência para a Integração, Migrações e Asilo (EMA). This shift aims to streamline immigration processes and enhance integration efforts. However, the transition has led to a significant backlog, with over 400,000 residence permit applications pending as of 2025. Applicants can expect delays of 4 to 12 months, particularly for categories like the Golden Visa. 2. Introduction of the Entry-Exit System, EES. Starting October 12, 2025, Portugal, along with 28 other EU countries, will implement the Entry-Exit System, EES. This digital border control system will replace manual passport stamps with biometric data collection, including fingerprints and facial recognition. The system aims to enhance security and streamline entry procedures for non-EU travelers. Passport control step-by-step process for entering Portugal and the Schengen area. Step 1. Determine visa requirements. Non-EU nationals, including US citizens, typically need a visa to stay in Portugal for more than 90 days. Common visa types include D7 Passive Income Visa, for individuals with a stable income from pensions, investments, or rental income. Digital Nomad Visa, for remote workers with a minimum monthly income of €3,480. Golden Visa, for investors making qualifying investments in Portugal. D2 Entrepreneur Visa, for individuals planning to start a business in Portugal. Step 2. Apply for the appropriate visa. Applications should be submitted at the nearest Portuguese consulate or embassy. Required documents typically include valid passport, proof of income or investment, health insurance coverage, clean criminal record, accommodation details in Portugal. Step 3. Wait for visa approval. Processing times vary by visa type and consulate workload. It's advisable to apply well in advance to account for any delays. Step 4. Enter Portugal. Upon arrival, travelers will undergo biometric data collection under the new EES. This includes fingerprinting and facial recognition, which will be stored in a centralized EU database for future travel reference. Step 5. Register with EMA. Within 90 days of arrival, visa holders must schedule an appointment with EMA to finalize their residence permit application. This process includes submitting biometric data and attending an interview. Step 6. Await residence permit issuance. Due to the current backlog, applicants should anticipate a waiting period of several months before receiving their residence permit. It's crucial to maintain legal status during this time. Globe Broader European Context, ETIAS. In addition to Portugal's national reforms, the European Union is introducing the European Travel Information and Authorization System, ETIAS. Scheduled to launch in the last quarter of 2026, ETIAS will require visa-exempt travelers to obtain pre-travel authorization before entering the Schengen area. This system aims to enhance security and streamline border management. Balance-scale legal challenges and reforms. Portugal's proposed immigration reforms have faced legal challenges. In August 2025, the Constitutional Court blocked a bill that would have imposed a 2-year waiting period for family reunification, deeming it unconstitutional. The government plans to revise the legislation to address the court's concerns. Conclusion. Navigating Portugal's immigration process in 2025 requires careful planning and awareness of both national and EU-level changes. By understanding the visa requirements, preparing necessary documentation, and staying informed about policy developments, prospective immigrants can facilitate a smoother transition to life in Portugal. Thank you for watching this video.